No, I don't wait for tomorrow. No, I won't give it a break. Don't need to beg, steal, or borrow. Watch me as I walk this way. I'm busy building an empire. Don't really care what they say. I'm only here for a good time. Drown 'em out like now, gonna stay. Mind over matter, take control. All my visions are set in stone. Don't kill my vibe, I'm flawless by design. Can't change my mind, got too much on the line. Won't waste my time, you better recognize. Don't kill my vibe, I'm feeling so alive. I was born for this. Born for this.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Deamondezignz. As you can see, here's another build that I just finished now. Ooh, I like that finish. Could be better, but unfortunately I didn't have the tools to get that done the way I wanted, but yeah. But it's for a company, not sure, but it's an operating frame for a factory of some sort. Basically, you got your string that comes through here. So what I did was I just put that little bit in there just to stop the string or cable or whatever to fray and catch. But there's your seats up there. It still needs to be cleaned up and painted and everything. And but yeah, so yeah, there's your stairs going up. This is all 50 mil and 32 mil round tube and square tube. But yeah, this was an awesome build. This was a lot of fun. A lot of guesswork here and there, and you know, guesswork measurements and things like that. But the guys here, they actually pre-cut the materials for me already. It's just some parts I had to do myself, but like for instance the chair had to, you know, that had to be done, you know, they had to estimate and guess and whatnot and fabricate from scratch. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. So yeah, there we go. Thanks guys.